Okay, just a quick video of my 2008 Big Dog Canine. I posted on YouTube. A couple buyers were requesting that. It has 13,000 miles. Cold air intake, the carburetor, there's a brass choke. Never really used that to start it. Big Vance & Hines pipes, big radius, beautiful. Paint job, custom paint job when it was originally bought by the original owner. I'm the second owner. 300 rear tire, all billet rims, 117 cubic inch engine, 6-speed Baker, really nice transmission, very solid. I've had a couple Harleys, it's just more solid than the Harley. Not a scratch on the bike. I've done nothing to it. It needed nothing. Just enjoyed riding it. It's a digital speedometer. Let's give it a quick start. I did start it about two hours ago. I got a little key down here. And so it's, I don't know, I'd consider it a warm start. Let's see. Yeah, didn't need much to warm up. So on a cold start, it might take about 15 seconds. Kind of twist the throttle. I call it clearing its throat. But it's been very reliable again. Enjoyed riding it. Just selling it because I want to ride with my high school girls a little bit more before they head out to college. The paint is absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can quite appreciate that in the pictures. But it is cool. Usually when I start it, the stones start flying. So that's it. Enjoy.